How's you going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's Workshop on Good Friday. I'm going to take a break from shop projects here for a little bit because I want to just say a word about Good Friday and Easter and what God means in our lives. Easter, I think, is a great season of hope in anticipation of better things to come down the road. And the other day I saw a post on Facebook. Now, this is a fact because it's on Facebook, but anyway, the post said, I was talking to my parents very gently, trying to explain to them that anybody under 40 never believes anything good is ever going to happen again. And, when I see those sort of posts, I sort of just pass over them because, just people saying their thoughts and posting them. But I actually spent a little bit of time in this one thinking about it, People under 40 thinking nothing good is ever going to happen again. That's not a very bright outlook. There's not much hope in that statement, is there? And so I come back to Easter. 2,000 years ago, or 2,000 plus, 2,025 years ago, I guess, I imagine that if there was such a thing as Facebook or Google, people would be searching, or YouTube even, people would be searching and they'd be seeing posts like that. Nothing good is ever going to happen again. And then along comes Jesus. He came into the lives of people who were doubters, people who thought they had the answers, people who figured they were the answer. He wasn't well received by a lot of people. A lot of people disliked him. In fact, so many people disliked him that they nailed him to a cross, crucified him, because they didn't believe in what he was saying. But Jesus came into the world 2,550 years ago, 2,025 years ago. He came into the world, I believe, he came into the world to bring us hope, to show us hope, to never give up. And that's a hard thing to do, to continue to have hope when things around you look so bleak. Even Jesus himself said, "Why are you forsaking me?" He said that to his father. "Father, why are you forsaking me? Do not forsake me. Take this cup from my hands." But, people in your life, there's certainly down, low times, and there's high times. Mixed amongst all that is hope. So on this Good Friday, what I, and on behalf of Nannie too, would like to say to everyone is, please have hope. Please trust in a supernatural power. And in my case, that's God and in Jesus Christ. Because he is hope. And he will make things better for those under 40 and those over 40. So, that's just my thought on Easter, and I thought I'd share that with you on Good Friday. Good Friday is a sad day. Christ died for our sins to show us hope. So thanks for watching, folks. I sure hope you do have a great Easter. I hope it's filled with hope and anticipation of better things to come down the road, because, and they don't have to make much improvements right now to make things better, I don't think. So, yeah, things will get better. That's for sure. Take care. We'll talk to you.